is the first video in a 4-part series where I will teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So this video is based on all the background. So the first thing you need to know is notation. So notation are letters corresponding to how you turn the cube. So either like this, like this, like this. And there's also scrambles. So a scramble looks something like this. The first move is R, which is right side clockwise. And then there's R prime, where it has that little thing after the letter. So R prime is counterclockwise. So again, R prime. The next move is L. L goes down. So since it's the opposite of R, since R goes up, L goes down, and L prime goes up. So again, L prime. The next move is U. So U goes across like that. So U prime. U prime. The next move is D. So D goes like this, and D prime goes like this. So again, D goes this way, and D prime goes counterclockwise this way. Then there's F. F goes like this. So it goes clockwise like this, like a clock. And F prime goes the opposite way. Then there is B. So regular B goes clockwise like this. And B prime goes like this. So you might think that this is very confusing, but I forgot to mention that R stands for right side. L stands for left side. U stands for upper layer. D stands for down layer. F stands for front layer. And B stands for back layer, if you haven't noticed already. In the beginner's method, there are 4 steps. First one is to make a cross like this, where you have this edge piece over here, here, and here. The next step is to get the entire first layer like this. So everything is solved properly, where the corner corresponds to this center. Same color here, so it's all like a layer. And you don't want to have it like this, because this would not be a proper layer. The next step is to get the edges. So the second layer. Like so. The next step in the beginner's method is to do the last layer. So this is the most complex step. There are a few steps in this, substeps in this, sub-steps. So I'm just doing it the advanced way. And yeah. So this is the layer by layer method for the beginner's method. So that's essentially what the beginner's method is. So yeah, thank you for watching, and that's all the background information that you'll need to know. So in my next video, I will be discussing how to solve the cross, and more tips and tricks to come. Thank you. Please subscribe if you are not already. Have a great day.
Bye.